Hi everyone, this is my Module 1 introduction video. My name is Sydney. I currently am a special education teacher in an instructional strategies classroom, and I teach grades kindergarten, first and second grade, and I sometimes assist with third and fourth grade as well. I work in the Goddard School District, but I am employed by the Sedgwick County Cooperative, who serves multiple districts right now. Some of my extracurricular activities, and which kind of correlates with some of my experience with leadership, is in the fall I assist with coaching for the dance team for our district, and I'm a mom of two kids, so that requires some leadership skills. I am a supervisor to 7 para-educators whom I instruct and give their daily schedules to and inform them on what to do during the day and make changes as appropriate. I help train new staff members for our cooperative, as well as present to all members of our cooperative, which is about 500 people at one time that I usually present to. I also mentor new teachers. I'm currently mentoring 2. And outside of that, some of my activities that I like to do is just spend time with my family. I've been married for 6 years, so my family and my kids take up a lot of my time. I enjoy being outdoors. We go camping a lot in the summer, and anything that has to do with the sun, I'm all for it. Why do I want to be an administrator? I want to be an administrator because I have seen the influence of both a positive and a negative administrator, and I want to be able to be one of those administrators that when people leave, they can say that I definitely had an impact on the success of their careers and I helped them grow, as well as, more importantly, the success of students. I want to be a hand in helping everyone who is underneath me, so to say, succeed and reach their fullest potential. And watching that happen and seeing people grow who I know I have helped is an experience unlike any other. So that is the main reason why I would like to be a school administrator. So thank you for watching, and it is nice to meet everyone, and I hope to learn a lot from all of you.